So in today's video we will see what to do if we are not getting Amazon KDP sales in this Q4 and how you can prepare for Q4 sales and Q4 strategy, how you can plan your Q4 strategy for Amazon KDP. So first of all, what we will do is we'll come to amazon.com. Here we came on amazon.com, and now we are going to dive into a specific niche and what it is. Like Halloween is just Halloween is going to get over within a week, so no Halloween strategy for us. We cannot make any kind of books for Halloween. Either we can make books for Christmas, fall, or for the New Year, because people also shop for the New Year in the Q4, in the sale, in the Black Friday, which happens. So what we are going to do, so what I am basically, what my strategy will be for Amazon KDP will be, I will be focusing on the books for 2022. I will be focusing on journals or monthly planners, those kinds of books which people will be looking for 2022. So let's research for some of those. Monthly, monthly. You can see people are searching for monthly planner 2022, monthly planner calendar 2022-2023. So monthly planner, let's see what is, how much the competition is. So monthly planner 2022 doesn't have much competition. It just has 463 results. And these are the books that are selling and are ranking. So most of them are hardcover and also spiral journals. Yeah, most of them are hardcover and spiral journals. So on KDP, either we can publish a paperback book or a hardcover book. So if we are planning to publish monthly planners or daily trackers or journals, then we should publish books in hardcover, because people like hardcover journals basically. So this is an Amazon's choice and it is in hardcover. And also this one, it is in hardcover. Let's check this out. So this book, I guess, has been published quite recently. Now let's search something more specific, like monthly planner 2022 for 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 women. Let's check this out. Oh my god, 60,000 results. This is way too much saturated. Not a chance. Okay, there is something called 75 hard challenge. Let's see. 75 hard challenge book. Yes. This is something related to fitness. So you can also create a 75 hard challenge book, and in this mostly paperbacks are ranking. So you can create a paperback book and publish in this niche, which could be 75 a hard challenge. And now let's see what is actually 75 hard challenge. For this we will go to Google Trends. So Google Trends. Now let's see what is 75 hard challenge, because this is something really trending and hot, because on Instagram most of the people were posting about this, and also on TikTok. So let's see. 75 hard So now we can see the stats of 75 hard challenge for the past 12 months. Look at this. It is a trending thing. It was trending in November. It was trending in March 2021. Like it was trending in November 2020. Then it was also trending in March 2021. Then it was trending in March. Then it was April, May, June, July, August, and now it is trending now as well. September, like you can see this uptrend. It is predicting that 75 hard challenge is going to be trending now as well. So this is something really profitable, and people are looking for this. People are looking for this, and it is related to topics related to weight loss, healthy diet, so and diet and nutrition. Like you can see these topics are breakout topics. Like these are huge topics. If you create something in this, then it is definitely going to explode, because these are breakout topics. So this is how you can know that what is actually trending. So if you create books related to fitness, health, well-being, then obviously you are going to get sales in this Q4, because despite it is Q4 and despite it is holidays, people always like to stay healthy, and they are always trying something new in the world of um, weight loss and healthy diet and stuff like that. So these kinds of book, it won't be called like low content book, but it is an high, but it is a high content book. So you will need to hire someone to create this book, or you can create this book on your own as well. And how you will create this book on your own, let me tell you that there are some websites on which you can easily download the 75 hard challenge template, and you can create the book. And using those templates, you can also get these templates on Etsy, because on Etsy also people sell some templates and digital downloads kind of things which you can download digitally and use them. But just make sure that you have the license to use it, and ask the seller that you are using it or you are going to sell it.